To make compost, you need a good mix of green and brown ingredients and a sheltered spot to keep your RollMix Composter. Straw, sticks and leaves are browns, which add fibre and carbon to create air pockets. Grass clippings are greens, which add nitrogen and help to generate heat. From kitchen waste, eggshells are browns, and fruit and vegetable peelings and tea bags are greens. Cardboard and newspaper count as browns. Finally, a handful of soil or compost accelerator contains the microorganisms needed to kickstart the composting process. There are detailed instructions included with your RollMix. It is important to have a good balance of greens and browns, so you can add sticks,
all the stuff I'm mixing don't need no other fix.
Dry leaves,
My plants think it tastes like Weetabix.
Straw,
Put it in, mix it up,
Cardboard,
roll it round, take it out, roll mix. Cut it up, put it in,
Newspaper,
cut it up, put it in, mix it up, roll mix.
Hedge trimmings, grass clippings,
Keep moving.
and kitchen waste. And don't forget a handful of soil or compost accelerator. It's also important to keep your compost damp, so add some water as necessary. Continue to add alternate layers of greens and browns until your RollMix is full. The fuller it is, the better it works. Once it's full, it's time for the fun part. Roll it around to add oxygen and mix up the contents. Store your RollMix in a sheltered spot. You can use logs or bricks to give it extra insulation from the weather, helping it to retain heat and speed up the composting process. Remember to keep it damp and to roll it regularly.